Three words: luxury, value, towability. Hey, what's going on? I'm Dave Erickson, and this is the 2022 Grand Design Reflection 337 RLS. Now, I'm gonna do the best I can to show you through video how amazing this fifth wheel is. You'll have to see it in person, but I'm gonna do my best to showcase what this has to offer in video, which will not do it justice. And I gotta tell you right now, I'm gonna be a fanboy of this product because I am blown away on what it has to offer. This is incredible. So many cool features. First, I gotta start by saying thank you to Brett's RV for letting me share this with you. You can find all their contact information, their services, their inventory, both new and used, and there's so much to choose from by going to brettsrv.com or by clicking the link below this video. A little behind the scenes, the golf cart is actually powering the fifth wheel because I want the lights on for you. You'll appreciate that when you see it on the inside. This has 3 slide outs, sleeps 5, has a rear living area, kitchen island. It's 35.5 feet long, 2 awnings, one right here. The closest one to us is 16 feet. The other one is 10 with LED lights, speakers, and so on. There's a queen bed right here, 60 by 80, but you can have the option to make it a king size. We'll see it in here in just a few minutes. And since I'm a numbers guy, I want to give you some numbers on the weight and water capacity. You're looking at a hitch weight of just over 2,000 pounds, gross weight about 14,000, dry weight 10,700 approximately. Now, fresh water capacity 80 gallons, black water 47, and gray water 87 gallons. I want to show you what's behind some of these heavy duty insulated baggage doors. The first one right here has access to your auto leveling kit and a little bit of storage there as well. Here on the outside, you have one of 2 propane tanks and unobstructed pass-through storage here, which I'll open up on that side as well. And since we're here, look at these stairs. These are special stairs. These stairs actually fold and then you can lift this up. Now, the purpose of this is to knock off any dirt or water that may be on the steps that you don't want inside the fifth unit. So that's so smart, way to think ahead. And it's a cool step to have, and they're still super sturdy. Here's your second awning. This is the 10-footer right here. You got your ladder to have access to the roof and a backup camera right up there. Below here, you'll find a 3,000 rating towing with a 4-prong connection. Here's the back side with the other 2 slide outs. Better view of that, which makes a huge difference when you're inside. You'll see what I'm talking about. And here is your universal docking station, all-in-one heated location with easy winterization system and exclusive siphon feature, fresh tank fill. And here's that second propane tank I was telling you about on the opposite side. All right, time to go inside, but do your best to curb your enthusiasm, Larry David. This thing is amazing. Let's go. I'm really not sure where to begin. There are so many cool things to share with you. Let's start right over here to our left. Tri-fold sofa converts into a sleeping space for an extra guest or 2. You have your freestanding dinette, theater seating directly across from the entertainment center. Oh yeah, 40-inch HD TV, fireplace down below, storage above, cabinets along the entire back end. All the great lighting, that's why we have the golf cart to light this baby up. Kitchen island making meal prep so easy. Has everything you need to create home-cooked meals on the road. You have the stainless sink, high-rise faucet with a pull-down sprayer, complete kitchen setup, great counter space, microwave oven, huge pantry right there. This is amazing. I'm nearly speechless. I'm not usually speechless. All right, look how the fridge blends in. There, freezer on top. I feel like I'm in a luxury apartment with the countertops, all the different drawers, backsplash. We got USB ports inside here. See them? This thing is wired. All right, let me give you a demo of these theater seating chairs. Cup holders. Yeah, Check it out. Ain't this the life? Premium flooring surface. Ductless flooring means no floor vent covers to collect dirt and debris. Stairs as we go into the master bedroom as well as the shower. So you got a full bath in here, 30 by 48 shower, fiberglass. Again, it's winterized right now. Toilet, storage, sink. Basically, I'm just saying what I see. There's so many cool things. Good ceiling height there. All right, now here is your master bedroom. Again, queen bed is standard. You can upgrade this to a king size bed. Great natural lighting on either side, as well as underneath. I also like the fact that you actually have some space on either side of the bed to move around. Dresser at the base of the bed with overhead cabinets. A full wardrobe. Yeah, full wardrobe. And inside, it has a hookup. It might be a little dark in here, but a hookup for washer and dryer. A little portable washer and dryer. But I think this is bigger than my closet. I think it is. All right, let's take you one more time throughout. Lots to see. Gotta see it in person. And of course, a full door. It's always great. Now I mentioned at the top, luxury, value, the towability, attention to detail as well. And so many great finishes and touches. The chandeliers above the island sink. Oh, I'm just really impressed and becoming a fanboy of this unit in particular. With so many doors and cabinets, you don't know what's behind everything until you explore. Like for example, right here, this is where you have your slides, at least the power for the slides. And then one more, as I was exploring, down here, you got your breaker. Everything is utilized. No wasted space. Perfect. One final note, this includes the Arctic 4 Seasons Protection Package. I mentioned the heavy-duty insulated baggage doors, that's part of it. Fully laminated walls, double insulated floor and roof, and front cap, insulated gooseneck, and a new feature they call thermostatically controlled 12-volt heat tank pads. And Reflection has more than 15 strategically placed outlets in every single model. So you'll never be without an outlet or something to charge your devices. Maybe it's understandable now why I'm such a big fanboy of the Grand Design Reflection. Again, this is the 337 RLS. Brett's RV and Marine here in Missoula has a huge selection to choose from. This is just one of many great options. You can see all their contact information, services, inventory, both new and used, by clicking the link below this video or by going to brettsrv.com. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.